Okay, I'm going to install Opera in Ubuntu 19.04. First we need to start Firefox and go to opera.com/download. Click on Download Now for Linux. Choose Open with Software Install Default. Click Install. Enter your password. Do you want to update Opera together with the rest of the system? Make sure that's checked and click Next. Okay, you can close these windows. Now click the Show Applications button. Search for Opera. Click the icon. Okay, click No Thanks. I'm going to choose the dark mode theme real quick. Now click the red O in the upper left corner so we can start the VPN. Scroll down to Settings. Okay, scroll down. Click Advanced. Scroll down some more. Now click the slide button to enable the VPN, and you'll see the VPN symbol in the address bar. When it turns blue, your VPN is activated. If you click that, you can choose your virtual location. You can choose Americas, Europe, Asia, or let Opera decide what the optimal location is. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.